In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Monday.com. This can be incredibly useful if you're working with a diverse team or if you simply prefer to navigate the platform in another language. Let's dive in and make the change together. First, go ahead and open Monday.com using your preferred web browser. We'll be using Chrome for this demonstration as it offers a smooth user experience across different features. Once you've got Monday.com open, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and proceed to your dashboard. Now, this is where the fun begins. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile avatar nestled neatly there. Go ahead and click on that avatar. After you click, a menu will appear, offering you several options. Now pay close attention here. You're looking for something that says either My Profile or Profile Settings. Click on whichever is present as Monday.com occasionally updates its user interface, but both options will lead you to the same settings area where we can make our adjustment. Once you've opened the profile settings, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the language option. It's usually nestled among other settings meant to customize and optimize your Monday.com experience. This language setting is what will allow you to switch to your preferred language, ensuring you navigate with ease and comfort. After you've found the language option, click on the drop-down menu. A list of available languages will appear, and it's your chance to select the one you wish to use. Monday.com supports a wide array of languages, so take a quick scan or scroll through until you find your desired choice. Once you've located it, click on that language. Now that you have selected your preferred language, it's crucial to ensure these changes take effect. Look for a button that says Save or Update Settings. Clicking on this confirms your new language settings. The system might take a moment to process this update, so don't worry if it lingers for a second or two. Occasionally, after making changes, especially when it comes to language settings, you might need to reload the page to fully implement the change. You can easily do this by simply refreshing your page, either by hitting the refresh button on your browser or using the F5 key as a quick shortcut. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on Monday.com, making your interaction with the platform seamless and in a language you're most comfortable with. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check if Monday.com support offers additional guidance. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.